Hey everyone, I'm Brandon, one of the co-founders here at Superlist, and thank you so much for downloading Superlist. I'm going to walk you all through just a couple tips and tricks as we go. Feel free to skip this if you're not interested, but I hope you all watch it. So I have our main navigation here when you open the app. This has our home, our new button, and new is going to go ahead and let you create new tasks, lists, talk session, a new meeting note if you want, as well as our updates section down here. And that's going to go ahead and just show you all the things that have changed about the list you've been added to or tasks that you've assigned to other people. But I'm going to go ahead and start us off here with going to our today section. Today is probably where you're going to be a good chunk of the time. This has my calendar, so you can see I have a customer call in 17 minutes, so I better make this video quick. And I have additional meetings. I can click on those and I can prep for the meeting. If a meeting was active, I could record a meeting note if I wanted to. And then the today view also has all the rest of the tasks I want to get done or work on that day. I can click into any one of these and see additional metadata. I can change the assignee priority or label from here as well, or even leave a message on that task. I'll just go ahead and go back to the today view here. Inbox is where you're going to go ahead and just keep tasks that you're not ready to act on yet. This can be a ritual that you go through once a week and go ahead and move these to other lists you have access to or assign them dates. List is every list you have access to. You can go ahead and star them or unstar them. So right now I have this like offstage tease one and I can see it in my favorites here. But if I unstar that, it's going to go ahead and disappear. And this is to make sure that you're not just looking at every list you've ever created, but only the lists you're actively working on right now. And you have all the tasks that you've ever, have access to within the list. You can filter them. You can search through them as well. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at a Superlist list here. So lists are basically documents, right? So I can have text, headings, tasks, all that stuff. And I can go ahead and add those things with this little bottom bar. This little bottom bar gives you access to create new tasks, new paragraphs. And you can just tap on these buttons if you want. But you can also do something even cooler, which is just drag them. So I can drag my new paragraph thing here. This is text, right? I can hit done. I could add a new task here and just say pizza. And down here is also where all your metadata is kept. So I could go ahead and assign that to myself here. And then I can also click in and I could add subtasks and Subarus. And you can add additional content the same way that you would otherwise using the same thing. But even more than that, you can also just continuously zoom in and like move in levels here. So that way you can always have subtasks available to you or content or anything else you need as well. All right. And this is becomes a pretty full list. This is great for when you're planning or like demoing or sharing a project with individuals. But when you're actively working on sometimes, it's helpful to actually just be able to look at the tasks that you need. You can filter in this. So you can go ahead and just filter by any number of these, like or sort and filter by any number of these. If I hit priority, that's going to go ahead and remove all of the headings and the text and everything else. If there were images in here, they'd also disappear and just focus you in on the tasks. And in this instance, I have different headings for things. I can collapse them. And now I can just say, okay, here are my 4 tasks that I need to focus on within this list right now. So there's a ton of other stuff that's happening here in Superlist. I encourage you all to check it out and watch some more of our YouTube videos or hit us up if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone. Bye.